Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to introduce our latest journaling project inspired by the beloved novel, The Secret Garden, and the enchanting beauty of blossoming flowers in spring. The interior of our folio cover is beautifully composed of 3 main sections, each designed with charming details and functional storage options. We already have a tutorial available for this design, as it follows the same steps as our Little Witches project. If you'd like to create this project yourself, we'll link the tutorial video in the description below. Starting on the right side, we have vertical slide panels that elegantly open up to reveal a spacious pocket and a lovely envelope. Ideal for safely storing your ephemera, notes, or little keepsakes. On the left side, you'll find a vertical pocket, thoughtfully designed to tuck in cards, tags, or small treasures. It's a perfect spot to add extra journaling or decorative elements. And finally, at the heart of the folio, the middle section features a delightful journal. Custom-made to fit perfectly within our folio, its pages are thoughtfully inspired by the enchanting story of The Secret Garden, adding a whimsical touch to your journaling experience. All of the decorative papers used in this project were printed on 160 GSM matte photo paper, except for the journaling pages. The pages used for the journal were printed on 100 GSM copy paper. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your very own secret garden folio. If you enjoyed this project, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us in the comments below. We'll see you in our next video, but until then, have fun crafting.